This is Nashimar, the CEO of InfoTechSquare.com, and we are a team of CPAs and EAs. What are the expenses associated with taking care of dependent for tax purposes? This is my today's program in which I am going to cover who qualifies as classified individual, what are the eligible expenses for dependent care, what is the permitted credit amount, is the child and dependent care credit refundable like the earned income credit, additional child tax credit, or premium tax credit. Can we carry forward the unpaid child and dependent care credit for the following year? The cost of caring for qualifying individual. The cost of caring for qualifying individuals so that you and your spouse, if married, can work, search for work, or attend school is called dependent care expense. Which are included? The expenses paid to daycare facilities that are licensed. The cost of attending preschool or nursery school is paid. Summer day camps require fees for both day camps and overnight camps. Wages paid to in-home care providers such as nannies and babysitters are known as in-home care. Who qualifies as a classified individual? Your dependent child who is under the age of 13 is considered a child. A spouse or dependent that is physically or mentally incapable or self-care is considered a disabled dependent. What are the eligible expenses for dependent care? To work or actively look for work, work-related expenses must be necessary for you and your spouse. If filing jointly, you and your spouse must have earned income during the year. What is the permitted credit amount? The credit is determined by the percentage up to 35% of eligible expenses. The maximum expenses allowed are $3,000 for one qualifying child, whereas $6,000 for two or more qualifying individuals. Here is an example for the explanation. If you paid $4,000 for dependent care expenses for your twins, you may qualify for a credit of up to $1,400, which is a 35% of $4,000 depending on your income. To reduce your tax liability, it is worth tracking all eligible expenses throughout the year to claim the child and dependent care credit. Is the child and dependent care credit refundable like the earned income credit, additional child tax credit, or premium tax credit? The child and dependent care credit is not refundable. The ability to reduce your tax liability to zero is possible, but it will not result in a tax refund. If the credit amount is greater than the taxes you owe, you will not be refunded for the difference. Can we carry forward the unpaid child and dependent care credit for the following year? This child and dependent care credit cannot be transferred to other years, unfortunately. If the credit is not used up in any given year, it is forfeited. If you made prepayments for care at the end of a calendar year, you could still claim them during the year of care provision. I request you to please subscribe to my channel to receive the most up-to-date and accurate tax information in your email regularly to enhance your knowledge. I thank you and God bless you.